Namaste. Nepal lies sandwiched between two domineering land masses and national powers that are China and India. Yet it still manages to retain a culture that is distinctly of its own. Apart from being a beautiful Himalayan country, here are some amazing facts about Nepal that you should know about. If we look back in the history, Nepal was always independent country and was never under any foreign invasion. As a result, Nepalese doesn't celebrate Independence Day. Nepal is one of the oldest country in the world and is the oldest one in the South Asia. In the year 1768, the Kingdom of Nepal was unified by Prithvi Narayan Shah. Under Shah and his successors, Nepal's border expanded as far west as Kashmir and as far east as Sikkim, now a part of India. Being a homeland of many ethnic groups, from the history till today, not a single drop of blood has been shed in the name of religion and ethnic rights in Nepal. It is quite interesting that Nepal was once named as the wheat capital. With an area of 1,47,516 square kilometer, Nepal shares its border with China and India. Kathmandu, being the capital city of Nepal, is also known as the city of temples. Also, Kathmandu has the densest UNESCO-listed World Heritage Sites among the capitals of the world. Lumbini, which is the born place of Lord Buddha, also lies in the southern part of Nepal. Nepal is the only country with altitudinal variation that ranges from 59 to 8,848 meters of height. World's highest mountain, Mount Everest, is also present here with the height of 8,848 meters. Apart from this, out of world's highest top 10 peaks, Nepal got 8 of them, including Mount Everest. Nepal is also famous for its flag. It is the only country having non-rectangular national flag in the world. The total distance of Nepal's railways is just 59 km, which means roadways are the main source for transportation. Nepal has a population that exceeds 2 crore 90 lakhs, among which about 9 lakh 85,000 lives in Kathmandu. With all the population, about 81.3% of them follows Hinduism. Nepal is also famous for the Gorkhas, the fearless warriors. About 44.6% of the total Nepalese population speaks the official language Nepali as their mother tongue. The amount of money half the population of Nepal survives is just Rs 121 per person per day. The average life expectancy of Nepalese is just 59 years. In average number of children a Nepalese woman will have is 3. More than 20% teenagers between the age of 13 to 15 years smokes tobacco in Nepal. In an average every year, each Nepalese will spend more than 8,000 per person on their health care. Namaste, said with palms pressed together, is the standard greeting in Nepal. The head is considered the most sacred part of the body, while left hand must not be used for eating according to the culture of Nepal. In the year 2006, Nepal was officially declared secular by its parliament, and in the year 2008, Nepal ended its system of monarchy. Nepal has over 80 ethnic groups and 123 languages are spoken, which represents unity in diversity. One amazing culture about Nepal is that they have their own calendar. Unlike the Georgian calendar used in the West, the Nepalese calendar is known as Bikram Sambat, and it includes both elements of lunar and solar calendar. Also, Nepali calendar is approximately 57 years and 8.5 months ahead of Georgian calendar. Dal bhat is probably the most famous food in Nepal. It is such an important food that it could even be called as Nepal's national food. Momos, a type of dumpling, is one of the most popular fast food in Nepal. About 60% of the adult population in Nepal have experienced alcohol and 38% of them are regular consumers. In terms of production of food items, Nepal ranks second as mustard seed producer and third as biggest producer of ginger all around the world. It is said that Yeti, the hairy snowman, are found in Nepal, but nobody has ever found one. Being the most sacred animal in Hinduism and also being the national animal of the country, slaughtering of cows are banned. Bengal tiger, red panda, snow leopard, one-horned rhinos are all these endangered animals are found in Nepal. 50% of all the income generated from the tourism is given to the community people living around the wildlife reserves for the protection and development of wildlife. There is still a lot to be told about this amazing and beautiful country, and summarizing it in a single video is really difficult task. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new, please take a moment to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon so that you can never miss an update from Birdbox. And also suggest which countries' facts you want to watch in our coming videos in the comment section below. Dhanyawad.